Hi, today I have a very cool padlock for you guys. It's an ace, big beefy one, pretty heavy, and this one was sent to me by Southampton Lockpicking Club. Guys, thank you very much for sending it to me. It's a interesting lock. It's a 5-pin lock, and beating is okay. 5 and 3 are pretty, and 1 are pretty short, and 2 and 4 are long, so high lows. So the lock is working very nice. It's a brand new lock and can be disassembled. If I pick it, I will disassemble it. And yeah, come on, why the key is stuck now? So yeah, let's start picking it. I prepared this tension tool. I think it's going to fit. Yeah. And of course, the force diamond. I will try to somehow I want the sticker there. So 1, 2, 3, 5 click. More tension, so 3, I'm trying to fill all the pins. I think this lock needs heavy tension, so let's start. 1 nothing, 2 it's binding, click, 3 nothing, 4 it's binding, and we're open. So 1, 3 and 5 are 0 bitted? No, 2, what? Let me check again. So 3 click and 5 click. Now 1 click, 2 click, 4 click. No security pins? I was expecting a security pin, so we're open. Strange, but I pick it second time, so yeah. I was really expected security pins, but yeah. Oh, I'm not prepared with the yeah. Come on. Yes. There is the screw. It's a similar mechanism like American lock. Come on. So, and give me a second, I need to clean it a bit. So let me rearrange a bit. So 1, 2, 3, 4. It's a 6 core, but populated with 5 pins, like master locks. And we have a key like this, smaller follower, pins are on top. Yes. Yeah, as expected. Five pins. Let me check if all of them need to be picked. Yeah, all need to be picked. It was strange how I was able first time to pick it. Maybe some of the pins were stuck. Maybe not. I don't know what happened really. But the second pick, the second time was the right way of doing things. So all 5 pins are standard. Yeah, everything is standard. This is the front part. I need to mark it just in case. And one, rounded, like tempered. Oh, bad pins. That's why I picked this one pretty easily. Oh, yeah, I will populate it with spools serrated from American Lock and Master Lock. So this is not what I was expected really. Let me remove one of the springs. Yeah, I'm a bit disappointed, but it is what it is. So all pins are standard, tempered, or maybe not tempered but easy to pick, and rounded part of the body. So yes, sometimes you're disappointed from some lock, but it is what it is. Sound 10 Lockpicking Club, thank you very much for sending this lock to me. I really appreciate that. Yeah, and guys, thanks for watching. That was the ace padlock, picked and got it. Have a nice day, have a nice picking, and bye bye.